Hello. Today I'm in Renault Espace. In this video I'll show you how to activate voice assistant. In the beginning, take a look at the steering wheel. To activate voice assistant, simply press this button.
Which
Radio.
menu do you want to access?
Radio.
You are in the FM radio menu. Which FM frequency would you like to listen to?
Stations.
Showing available FM stations. Say the list number of the FM station you would like to listen to.
3.
Playing the radio.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.